Today we're going to be walking through a Oxford Modern Farmhouse. Let's go. Hello, this is Wayne Hooker with the Statesville office with America's Home Place. I'm going to do a little walkthrough on the Oxford Modern Farmhouse today. Come with me. So when we walk in the front door, we have columns on each side with a formal living room, dining room that's standard in our office. We walk on through to the open living room or family room, which has got an optional fireplace. These guys have chose the raised hearth and stone on the fireplace. And as we walk into here, we have the kitchen. They've redesigned the kitchen a bit. They opened up this wall so they could be open to the family room. And they've chose to put a double oven in with a cooktop, and the island bar is standard. Staggered cabinets with crown mold is standard in this. Our windows, we have different grid patterns you can choose from, anywhere from 6-panel to craftsman style to no grids, which is very nice to be able to choose from that. Out back here, we have the guest room. The back guest room with a walk-in closet and office if that's what you wanted. And then as we go on through here, we have the front guest bedroom with another walk-in closet. Okay, as we come back through, these guys have chose the deck option on this house, so it would normally come with a stoop and stairs going down, but they chose the deck where they can go out on the deck and enjoy the afternoon or morning coffee. So we have a nice big master bedroom with double windows, choice of sides to put your bed on. And going into the master bath, they chose the garden tub with a tile shower stall, and then the sink, the commode room, nice big open bathroom. A lot of light for the window with the window there. And then as we go back into the house, we got a nice big laundry room that's really deep, so you've got a lot of shelves that can go there to make it similar to a pantry. Outside we have the garage. Our normal would be one door, but these guys chose to have 2 doors and a man door. So if you want to learn more about the Oxford Modern Farmhouse or any other plan, go to americashomeplace.com, like and subscribe below.